icons, welcome and welcome back. In today's video I'll be focusing on a powerhouse that is often goes unnoticed, which is papaya leaves. If you are looking for a way to grow your hair or find a solution to boost hair growth, fight dandruff, improve the overall health of your hair, then you're in the right place, so keep on watching. A healthy scalp is the foundation for strong, vibrant hair. If you got your papaya leaf, make sure you use just the leaves, not the stems. I don't know the science behind it, but I've never seen anyone use the stems before. Use just the leaves. And the papaya leaves are also thought to strengthen hair strands, reduce breakage, and add shine to your hair. Some research will also tell you that papaya leaves has the capacity to make your hair more darker. I'm not sure about that, but it will help promote hair growth and boost your hair to grow more faster. I got my papaya leaves, cut it, wash it. Do not use water while pounding, just use only the leaves. The leaves itself has some amount of water in it, so that water is more than enough. I got my pot, add in the pounded papaya leaves, add some oil, and the way you add this oil, make sure the oil is more than the papaya leaves. Then cook it on a very low heat so that you will not burn the oil off. When you notice that the papaya leaves has turned kind of brownish, then you off it. Or when the thing is beginning to give you bubbles on the spoon like this, you can see how it's bubbling on the spoon, then you will turn off the fire, knowing that the papaya oil is ready. Leaves are packed with essential nutrients that can promote healthy hair that are rich in vitamin A, C, and E, which is known for their antioxidant properties. These vitamins help fight or combat free radicals from your scalp. This will help you reduce hair fall and promote a healthy scalp, because when you have a healthy scalp, that is a sign for your hair to grow from the scalp, because a healthy scalp is a good foundation for you to retain length. Leaves contain some enzymes like papain, which can help exfoliate the scalp, removing dead skin and promoting better blood circulation. I store my oil in a very airtight container. I use my applicator bottle, pour this thing in so that I will have free access to use it on my scalp directly. all about it for the papaya leaves oil. Now we'll be moving on to the papaya hair spray, which is also powerful for your hair growth. Now for the papaya hairspray, you still need the papaya leaves, and use only the leaves again. Cut the stem as you can see me do here. Cut it into tiny pieces so that your blender will be able to blend. Wash it thoroughly with clean water to remove any dirt from it. Add into your blender and you will get some water, because this one you're using papaya as a spray, so you need to add in water. That is about 3 cups of water or more. Add water to suit your blender so that your blender will be able to blend properly. Mixture and add into your applicator bottle or your spray bottle so that you use it on your scalp. If you are using this spray consistently, you will notice strong, shinier hair and a healthy scalp. Remember, natural remedies take time. Be patient and just enjoy the process. Do not rush yourself because you want to see growth, you want to see results, and at the end of the day, you will not see results and you will just be like, this thing did not work. It's just a scam, which is not a scam. Use this thing for 3 months and trust me, you will see good results. Now it's time for me to apply this wonderful oil on my scalp, and trust me, it feels so good on your scalp. You just pour it there and do not just leave it by applying it on your scalp. Also go in with a little massage for like 3 to 5 minutes and you are good to go. Being it inversion method or just standing, it's good just for the circulation of blood to reach your scalp with those wonderful nutrients. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more natural hair growth challenges, DIYs and recipes, because that's what I focus on. I love my natural hair so much, so I do bring a lot of DIYs, treatments. I do challenges for me to help my hair grow faster, because I noticed that my hair, when I put more time on my hair, I get more growth. So I intend to do more challenges more than before, because I am on a 3-month hair growth challenge, which 1 month has already been done with. I am moving, this is the 2nd month in my 3-month hair growth challenge. So if I joining me for the first time, what we preach about here, as you're watching my video, do well to get an oil, shea butter, a leave-in conditioner, hair food. Feed your hair. A happy hair, it's a growing hair. A sad hair, it's breaky hair. So do well to feed your hair and be nice to your hair. Resilient. Thank you so much for watching. Some kisses coming your way. Bye.